Hello and welcome. I am going to show you how to print a document. After typing or formatting your document, as the case may be, click on the File menu and click on Print. By clicking on Print, you are presented with a preview screen. This is the preview screen on how the document will look like on paper. If every other formatting that needed to be done has been settled, you come over to this place on the printer text box. Clicking on it, you will be presented with a list of printers in your establishment or your organization. Look at the name. You can find the name of the printer on the body of the printer. When you locate the name of the printer that you want to print with, you can select it from this list. Then here at this section, you choose the number of pages that you want to print. If you want to print page 1, you just press 1. If you want to print page 1, page 5, and page 7, for instance, all you just need to do is type 1, 5, and page 7. Now, if you want to print all the pages, you can as well leave the printer and leave the setting and click all pages. This setting prints all the pages. If you want to select some specific pages, all you need to do is separate the number of pages with comma. Once you are done, select the paper type A3, A4. For my own printing, I am printing on an A4 paper. Leave every other thing at default and click the print button. Clicking on the print button, in a moment it has been sent to the printer and your work prints. Okay, we have just learned how to print. Please, if you like our videos, click the like button. Click on subscribe to get up-to-date information on Microsoft Word. Thank you.